Green tea benefits. 5 health benefits of green tea. While weight loss remains one of the most widely known health benefits of green tea, there are many other advantages of green tea which often go unnoticed. Chinese people have been aware of remarkable medicinal properties of this beverage for centuries. Even today they are the ones who use it for health in a variety of ways. Following are 5 most important health benefit of this tea. Weight loss herb. As mentioned above, that using this oolong tea or different forms of green tea remains one of the most natural ways to lose weight. Apart from boosting your metabolism in a natural way, you get instant energy from this drink. However, you must purchase a good brand of this tea for weight loss. It increases lifespan. Research has proved it that people who drink it regularly, live longer than those who don't. Moreover, their overall health remains much better than others. Anti-cancer effects. Though we cannot say for sure if it can cure cancer, there is evidence of its ability to suppress cancerous growth. Prevention is always better than cure, and this tea is the best prevention against cancer. It blocks the production of cancer-causing enzymes. Good for heart and brain. People who drink herbal tea on regular basis are less likely to suffer from heart-related diseases. It prevents heart attacks and stroke. It softens the walls of arteries, which work wonders for preventing heart diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. If you drink green tea regularly, you do not suffer from rheumatoid inflammations. Similarly, it helps in preventing many other inflammatory diseases. It goes without saying that getting a genuine high-quality green tea is not easy. Would you like to try one of the best brands of this miracle tea that not only contains green tea but also many other herbs for maximum health benefits? Read about one of the best brands of green tea. http://treehealthpro.com/green-tea-discover-the-power-of-green-tea-for-weight-loss/closing square bracket that has become a favorite drink of many celebrities, health specialists and weight loss aspirant. Click here. http://treehealthpro.com/green-tea-discover-the-power-of-green-tea-for-weight-loss/closing square bracket to read how it works to help you get rid of excess pounds and many other health issues. Hi there. If you like this video, please click on like and share also. Feel free to ask anything about health in comments section. Do not forget to subscribe my Health Solutions channel.